Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me, and now that I look at it, I should have made it a little bit narrower. They wanted to know how they could contour a flame around the text. These are both texts. This is a font, and I've already filled it in, so it's not a font anymore. But he didn't say come and get it. I did that. He just said around the letter C. So we're going to take just the letter C, and you could do the whole word or whatever you wanted to do. And then we're going to go up to text and go to insert character, and we're going to type in J Flames, and I've made a video on how to do that. And we're just going to drag out this flame right here and see what it looks like. That'll actually work. Might be a good scenario. So let's mirror it the other direction. And what we need to do, and you could pick any text, any font. Let's left click, right click. Let's left click, right click, and we're just making an outline. Now, let's get rid of this window. We need to go to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour that letter one time, 1/2 of an inch. You know what? We're going to go a little bit more. Let's go 0.75. Make it a little bit more. Then we're going to go to Arrange and Break Contour Apart. This letter is 9 inches. It's big, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 10. I'm going to take my original letter and I'm going to get it out of the way. And now I'm going to move this font holding down the control button and kind of, you know what, we're going to get it wider. Look pretty cool. And you could do a lot, with this, different scenarios. But then what I'm going to do is take the Smart Fill tool and fill in my flame. I'm going to move it out of the way for a second. I'm going to take both my hairlines of my font and then move my font back up. Let's go ahead and create it, make it black. And then I can move that back over and it contours around that letter. There's other ways you could do it. You could do it manually, but I don't think you're going to get that even of effect. And then you could have whatever you wanted. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. And thank you for watching.